Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last class, we talked about hyperlink. Today, we'll be diving into image, how to upload and display image in HTML. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll be sharing you some useful tips and also showing you the website I personally use to find beautiful and portrait image. Let's get started. So now make sure you do your housekeeping. So create a new folder. It should be what? Image. Open your tab. Create a new file. It should be what? Index dot what extension HTML. So let's write our HTML boilerplate. So doc type HTML declaration. Okay. Language is going to be what? English. Let me keep it simple. So the head title is going to be image. Body of my web page. So let me close this. So H1 should be, let's just write welcome back. So now let's go live. So now guys, go to any of your favorite browser and just download any random image. For this class, I love cat a lot, I love pet a lot, so I'm going to cat image. So image, okay, to this, save, okay, image, cat image img1, save, okay, cat image to save as well. So now, how do we upload image in HTML? How do we upload image in HTML? We have img. So XRC stands for what? Source. So XRC stands for source. So this is where we are going to put our image file. ALT stands for alternative. So the image description. This ALT is actually good for search engine optimization. We're also going to talk about it in the future. So now I have step by step of how I arrange my stuff. So now so let's create a new folder. It's going to be what? Statics. So a new folder is going to be what? Image as well. IMG. So take this, move it inside, move this as well, move. So now let me close this. So you have to write your image. So the XRC, the image file. So our image is inside what? Statics, image, and what? cat1. So you can say what? Image cat image 1. So let me come back here. Now we have this. Now keep it back in your mind. Image used to have what? Height and width by default. So image used to have what? Height and width by default. So image used to have what? Height and width by default. If you actually want to increase the height and width, you can. So you can just say height should be. So you can just say height should be, let's 500. You see. So for the sake of the video, let's give it 120. Now can you see? So image used to have what? Height and width by default. Now image is an what? Is an inline element. What do I mean by inline element? In the future, is going to make sense to you. So now image is also a what? It's also a what? A self-closed tag. It's also a what? A self-closed tag. When you talk about hyperlink, which we talk about self-closed tag as well. So it's an inline element. So it's also a what? Self-closed tag. They can call it empty tag. They can call it void tag. Anyone you feel like. So now, what do I mean by self-closed tag? Self-closed tag are what? Are tags element that does not have a what? Does not have a closing tag. Now I know you'll be curious what I mean by element. This is an open tag, this is also a closing tag as well. All together we call it what? Element. So this is an element. So let's upload another image. So img xrc statics image 2. So we can just say cat image 2 as well. So now can you see it's an inline element? So let me just break it over here. Break. So okay, let me refresh. So now we have this. So now if you want to be sure, if you actually link your image, just click on this follow link, which is going to take you direct to your image folder. So now what if I made a mistake? So let me just do it this way. Now see what's going to happen. So the alternative, the name is going to show over here. So let's just put it this way. So we have two ways how we can upload it in HTML, but this is the first one I would advise you to go for, so to work like a professional. But let me just show you the second way. I see no reason why you should do it that way, but if you want to, so let me show you. So let me just come here. My favorite car is BMW car image. So look for image. So now let's say I want this image as well. This image, you can just come here, then look for copy image address. Can you see it? Copy image address. So just copy it and come back over here. So let me just give it HR. Sorry, let me just write HR. So image. So you can just paste the address over here. Can you see? Just because you want to upload image, can you see the way the address is long? So Ctrl S. So you can just come over here and give it BMW image. So now let me take this off. Can you see that? But I see no reason why you should do it this way. The one I recommend you to do is by saving the image and putting inside a folder. So let me just take these off. So the one I recommend you is doing this. Now this is the attribute. Like I said, element open for all this is called what? Element as well. It's called element as well. So let's come over here. We have attribute key and attribute value. Else is alternative, the attribute key, and this is the value as well. So keep it back of your mind. So now let's actually build the website. We already learned, so let's build the website. So now let's say for instance we have a website whereby we have a lot of customers. So Amazon came to us. Amazon told us that, okay, please can we partnership with you guys? We said, okay, fine, we are going to think about it. Then feedbacks later, we'll get back to them. Okay, fine, no problem, but you guys will be giving us at least 20% if that's not okay. Amazon said, okay, no problem. Now Amazon actually give us rules and regulation of what they want. Okay, they said we are going to be uploading their product on our website. So once any user wants to buy it, or if any user click on the image, it's going to take them direct to their website page so they can buy it. So now there will be just like a tracking code, which is going to there will be like a URL, or let us say tracking code, which Amazon himself is going to know that, okay, this is coming from our own website. So now let's go to Amazon. So come over here, amazon.com. So let me just come to their home page. So let's just look for any random image. Let's just look for any random image. So you can just come here. So let's look for a random image. So now we are in amazon.com. So now, like I said, if you watch this video to the end, congratulations. Now let me show you some tips, some useful website that I personally use to find a nice and portrait image. Personally use which I will recommend you guys to use. I'll be sure to find any image, and I will also be dropping the link in the comments below. Now the first one is Pixels, so you can just come here, so look for pixels.com. The second one, it's Misskit. Okay. So you can look for image and video as well on Splash. So now this is, I actually use this one a lot. So you can just take this one off. Can you see nice and portrait image? And this one as well. I use this one too. So we can just come over here and let's see, okay, what products do we have here? Okay, what product do we have here? So okay, which one should we use? So let's just use, so let me search for like cats. I don't know why I like using cats. I guess let me search for animal. Oh, so now let's just look for any nice image. So let me look for like clothes. So now I need to come over here. Let me just search for clothes. So let me search for clothes. So okay, so we can just take this image. Okay, save this one, photo pixels one, save this one as well, photo pixels 2, save this one as well, photo pixels 3. So let's save this one as well. Four. So man, so yes, let's leave it this way. Let's leave it this way. So let's leave it this way. So now let's come back over here. So let me comment this. So now first thing first, we need to have, since Amazon want to partnership with us, so we need to have a website name. So I'll be using shop with us. So this one is going to be HR for underline. So this one is going to be HR for underline, which we have this. So this image, so I guess this, it copy it. Can you see it's nice? Copy this one onto X, then open this. So just paste it here. So let me close this tab. So we can just say statics, then image, then this one. So let's give it pixels photo 1. So now we're going to be having like buy now. So let's keep it simple. We should give it like h3. Sorry. So let's give it like h3 as well. Buy now. So now let's see how it look like. So now this is it. So now we want a scenario whereby So let me copy this Amazon URL. Control C. So cancel this. So we want a situation whereby once someone click on this image, it's going to take them direct to Amazon. So now I guess actually okay. So now who's capable of doing it? We have to make use of our anchor tag, paste the URL here, then open this, then paste your image inside here as well. So this one you can actually put it inside, but let me just put it inside here. So by now copy this URL as well, so paste it here. So we can have just like HR for underline over here. So now we have this, it shows that what is a link. So let's also create target should be what blank. This one target should be what blank as well. So target should be blank as well. So now let's just copy and paste it. So just copy and paste it as well. So just copy, since we just want to do the same thing. So just change this one, should be 2. So now we are having this. Now I told you guys image used to have what height and width. Now let's actually, so the width, so the width should just be 150. Okay, I guess I'm not on the image, so just okay, sorry, should not be here, it should be on the image. So the width should be 150. So now can you see, I guess let's make it 250. Let's see how it look like. I guess 250 is okay. So let's make sure it's on the image, please. So the width should be 250 as well. So now we're having this. So now once the user click on this, the user can able to come to Amazon and get whatsoever things they want. So now once the user click on this as well, if you notice, it's creating another tab for the Amazon with the help of what target should be blank. So I guess I'm having 2 underlined over here. Where is it? Okay, take this off. Now we are having this. So let's create another one as well. I guess we are having like 3. So just copy this one. So this one is going to be 3. Why this one is 2. So can you see? Now let's also have another one as well. Why this one is going to be 4. So let us also change the alternative. So over here, so now let's put comment. So say image 1 start. So let me just copy this one, it end over here. So why this one is going to be 2, this one is going to be 2, so it's going to end, start and what, and end. So I just create space, so space, so this one is 3, it's going to be 3 as well. So this one should be 2, why this one should be 3. So then 3, this one should be end. So this one should be 4, then 4. So now we have a nice website, a shopping website. So now let us actually, okay, there's no underline over here. Okay, HR. Okay, let me refresh. Now we're having this. Now let us actually use a favicon. We already talk about favicon. So let's just look for Amazon. So open your statics folder, image. So save as what logo. Link favicon. HRE stands for what? Hypertext reference. Statics image, then logo. So cancel this, then refresh. Now can you see this? Now it just build a nice and sweet website. Now can you see? So if I click on this, it's taking me to Amazon. Click on this, it's taking me to Amazon as well. So cancel this. So cancel this. So guys, the website I used to find image, nice and portrait image. You can come over here. So you can come over here and look for nice and image or photos or videos, anyone if you like, or this one as well. Photos or videos, this one as well. So this one as well. So anyone of your choice. So now this is everything you have to know about image in HTML. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe so I can be able to make good videos like this. See you next time.